Dear students, this is informative program part 2. In this, I am going to discuss about the exam IIT JAM. What is IIT JAM? So, Indian Institute of Technology Joint Admission Test for MSc. So, MSc in IIT. So, you can think about. So, this is possible through this examination. So you might have missed in a previous step in JEE or else JEE main or advanced, the chance to get into the IIT institution. You no need to worry, you can definitely you can enter into IIT's Indian Institute of Technology, the prestigious institution of India, through this examination after your BSc. So this examination is a all India level online entrance exam conducted by Indian Institute of Technologies IITs every year on a rotational basis. Rotational basis in the sense every IIT, there are 23 IITs in India. So they are one, for example, this year some IIT Roorkee, next year the IIT Bombay, likewise. So on a rotational basis on behalf of Ministry of Human Resources and Development, it is the it is responsible MHRD's initiation. So what is IIT JAM exam for? This already I have mentioned. Entrance examination held every year, usually in the month of February. Last year, this year February 11th, for the admission to MSc, that is the after BSc MSc program. So you can also think about a joint MSc PhD program, or else MSc PhD or dual degree programs, MSc MTech, and other postgraduate program at the IITs, and to the integrated PhD programs at Indian Institute of Science, National Institute of Technologies, and ICERs. So this exam is the gateway for the MSc PhD or integrated PhD programs of several prestigious institutes of India. So every year February they will conduct examination. By end of March you will get the results. From April onwards they start the interview process. So this you may aspire to do MScs in MScs and PhDs in Indian Institute of Technologies. There are 23 prestigious Indian Institute of Technologies IITs, so all over India. So this is just to show you. Or else you can get in if you it is not in IIT, no problem, then you can think about doing it in the equally important prestigious institutes of India, National Institute of Technologies. There are about 28 National Institute of Technologies. So that is one is in Karnataka, that is in Surathkal, NIT Surathkal. So they also offer MSc, PhD and integrated PhD programs. Or else there are, as I mentioned in my previous lecture, this is you can think about MSc, PhD or integrated PhD in ICER institutes. There is Indian Institute of Science Education and Research located in Pune, Kolkata, Mohali, Bhopal, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati, the recently added Brampur and Nagaland. Or else you may think about doing your MSc or PhD in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So IIT JAM, there is no age limit for IIT JAM examination. Any student who has completed BSc degree with at least 55% scoring, or it is 50% for categories, can apply for this examination. The exam will be conducted in two sessions. Session 1, usually 3 or 4 subjects, 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Then session 2, 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So this year IIT JAM 2021 will comprise a separate question papers for the below mentioned subjects: physics, mathematics, mathematical statistics, economics, chemistry, geology, biotechnology. Whatever your BSc background, you can take any two of this, any two means you have to see that which are the subjects will be in the examinations will be conducted in the morning session and which are in the afternoon session. So usually 4 subjects in the morning session and 3 subjects in the afternoon session. So for example, one may take one may take chemistry and biotechnology. So chemistry, if it is in the morning session, so then you can think about having a biotechnology in the afternoon session. Likewise, you can take up 2 subjects. So anybody, for example, a physics graduate or BSc in PCM can think about taking physics, chemistry, any of these subject. So this is what this examination, the regulations. So this IIT JAM is the most popular MNC entrance examination in India. Just to give you an idea, in IIT JAM 2018 examination, so the 55,000 students, in that you can see the students, they have taken up physics 13,759, then those who have taken chemistry 12,473. So those who have taken mathematics. So likewise, you can see this graph will show the how many students have taken these examinations. So IIT JAM, this is the graph showing the number of candidates in each subject. So this year JAM 2021, it is conducted by Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. So it will be the important dates just I showed here. More information you can log into this website what I have showed here. So and get the more information just for a glance. So it is just the fee details you may see here. For female candidate SC/ST, for one test paper it is 750 rupees, and for the 2 test paper 1050. So as I said, the session 1 this time biotechnology, mathematical statistics and physics. Sessions 2 afternoon, that is chemistry, economics, geology and mathematics. So examination date is 14th February 2021. So this year JAM 2021 test paper will be fully objective type with the 3 patterns of questions. So multiple choice questions, MCQ, multiple select questions and numerical answer type. You can get the previous year question papers PDF forms in the any of these the institutes websites, and you can download it and you can have a glance, and you can based on that you can prepare yourself, and also the syllabus and all these things you get details in this website. So you should log into the website. So this this year JAM 2021 examination will be conducted as a computer based test in online mode only. So this year speciality of this examination. More information regarding all this you can log into this the website and get the more information. Now just I want to take your attention. Why IIT JAM? You may thinking why I am say advertising so much about IIT JAM. So this is a very good opportunity. It's in your hand for gaining knowledge along with a satisfying career. If you dream big, you can think to have this. So IIT JAM MSc for those students who want to engage in scientific research and theoretical knowledge in a dedicated area. If you want to achieve something, you want to have an idea to do research or to see the result. So this is a good platform you can think about. You are getting admission in top institutes of India like IITs and NITs. What you missed out in 10 plus 2 level. That's what I said earlier. IITs and NITs and Indian Institute of Science, where students can experience innovative learning and practical execution of their ideas at the bigger level. So you can whatever idea you can apply and you can bring some results and that may be useful for the well-being of the society. There are many private companies eager to have highly talented and skilled postgraduated or MScs or IITians whose innovative ideas can help them in enhancing their productivity and creativity. So IIT MSc or IIT PhD, these are the many companies, topmost companies of India as well as from the abroad. They are picking up the students in their campus selection for their companies to enhance their productivity and creativity. So that is where the IIT JAM is very important. There are many famous government sectors, private sectors, public firms like Cipla, Asian Paints, BHEL, NTPC, ONGC, IOCL, Amazon, Walmart, whatnot. So many German-based companies, Japanese-based companies, universities all over India and abroad. They recruit IIT MSc graduates and they'll offer all-time highest package which was offered to an MSc student when compared to the MSc graduates from other universities. MSc from IIT JAM, they'll be offered like a 25 to 30 lakh per annum. This salary can you imagine? So this is where IIT JAM is very important. And research or scientist job in DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, a prestigious institute of India, Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad, Nuclear Science Center, New Delhi, Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata, Baba Atomic Research, BARC, that famous. All these institutes, they they pick up these scientists or researchers from these the IIT, MScs and PhDs. Indian ISRO, railway officers, assistant professors in university, all in everywhere, in topmost the prestigious jobs will be reserved for these IIT, MScs and PhDs. So this just you can go through in your free time all these where the IIT MScs are preferred. Wildlife Institute of India, Ministry of Agriculture, Welfare Affairs, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. So all these 20 prestigious institutes, government sector, private sector, all these they prefer IIT MScs. And these are the prestigious the departments of government, they prefer only IIT PhDs are preferred. National Institute of Health, National Science Foundation, Center for Disease Control and Prevention. So this is not only in India and also in abroad, they prefer IIT PhDs for their institutes. So this is what the importance of IIT JAM. So you are in first year, you can definitely work for this in these 3 years time, and find out the syllabus and examination pattern and prepare yourself, and you can also join some training, the programs, online training programs. So always think big. So I end this my video with the note of Albert Einstein. Wisdom is not a product of schooling. It is any you, from which school you belongs to, no problem. Wherever you are, it is the lifelong attempt to acquire it. So it is always your effort makes, it is makes you, takes you to the higher level, not from where you are. So thank you.